Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of the Project Showcase series. Today I'll be showcasing a text-based choose your own adventure game that I made in Python. The fact that it is highly customizable makes it a favorite for Python beginners. This is a project that I hold very close to my heart. In fact, it was the first ever program that I made in Python. In this game, I have used conditionals or if-else statements and recursions in function. If you don't know what recursion is, it's basically when a function calls itself. We will use it when the user enters an invalid option, as you can see right here. But first, here's a version that I made without functions, just using conditionals. Don't judge the code, it's very old and bad. I could go on and on about how many mistakes I made, like string input and bad spacing, but that's not the point of this video. Now I want you to try to understand the difference between this code, so many nested if statements, and this code. Can you see the difference? Exactly. Now let's do a quick demo before jumping right into the code. Welcome to the adventure game. You are standing at the entrance of a dark forest. Do you want to go inside or stay outside? Let's write inside. You step inside the forest. It's dark and creepy. After walking a bit, you find two paths. One path leads to a glowing cave and the other leads to a rickety bridge. Type cave to go to the cave or bridge to cross the bridge. Let's go to the bridge. You approach the rickety bridge. It looks unstable. Do you want to cross it or turn back? I don't want to fall. Let's go back. Step inside the forest. Okay. One path leads to a glowing cave and the other leads to a rickety bridge. Let's go to the cave this time. You enter the glowing cave. It's beautiful inside. You find a treasure chest. Do you open it? Yes, let's go. The chest contains gold and jewels. You win. Yay. Okay, now let's take a look at the code. First of all, we have the start function, which is just the start of the game. It says, do you want to go inside the forest or stay outside? If the user enters inside, then this function, the forest path function, gets called. But if they stay outside, if they decide to stay outside, then nothing happens and they lose the game. If they enter an invalid choice, the game starts again. Let me show you. The start function gets called again. Okay, let's just enter gibberish and yeah, as you can see, the start function gets called again and it's the same thing everywhere, not just this function, in the forest path function, in the glowing cave function, everything, right? Now let's take a look at the forest path function. Step inside the forest, it's dark and creepy, blah blah blah. If the user enters cave, then the glowing cave function gets executed. If the user enters bridge, then the rickety bridge function gets called. Actually, sorry if I said executed. Now, type yes to open the chest or no to leave it alone. If choice is equal to yes, the chest contains gold and jewels. You win. If no, you give the chest untouched and walk away, game over. Invalid choice, glowing cave again, rickety bridge. You want to cross the bridge. If they enter cross, the bridge collapses and you fall into the river. Game over. Back, you go back to the forest, and here as you can see, the forest path function is called again. So the forest path function calls the bridge function, which can call the forest path function. Very trippy, I know, but nice, right? And then we just start the game. We call the start function and we just start the game, and that's it. Yeah, basically that's it for the video, but here's a bonus. I want you guys to see this. Don't judge the code, just feel the emotions. Did you take a shortcut to reach him or go the long path? I think this is incomplete. The above code is not written. I don't know. Let's just take the shortcut. I'm lazy. You decide to find the shortcut. You go through the jungle. In the jungle, you find two cats fighting over a dead bird. Will you help the orange cat, the black cat, or neither and move on? Let's go with the black cat. I don't like orange cats. You decided to help the black cat. It ate the dead bird and decided to accompany you on your adventure. You encounter a swamp. Will you swim across it or walk to the road? Let's go with walk. You walk to the road. You saw a sewer. Will you enter the sewer or keep walking? I don't know why, but I want to enter the sewer. In the sewer, you saw a giant mutated rat. Your cat scared it away. Oh, nice. You reached your brother's house by walking through the sewer and completed your mission. Okay, so him right here means my brother. You won and you have a new pet now. You acquired the cat person ending. Nice. Let's just do it one more time with other choices. Let's do shortcut again. And what if I take the orange cat this time? You decided to help the orange cat. It ate the dead bird and left. You got lonely and lost the motivation to continue your journey. You lose. You acquired a lonely ending. Very funny. Very funny. No, it's not. Let's go to the long path this time. Nothing happened. What? Did I not complete this code? I don't know. But that's it for the video, guys. If you liked it, make sure to leave a like down below. And if you want to see more Python content, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.